Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, thank you for clicking in here and thank you for staying put, and also thank you for subscribing. So if you're new, you are so welcome. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how you can actually change your skin in just 10 minutes. Now this home remedy is actually superb, and after 10 minutes, of course, if you want the change to continue, you have to apply it again and again. Yeah, it is so great. Yeah, so if you want to know what all of the ingredients is, please do continue watching, and don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share. And now let me take you right into the video. Okay, now a great remedy that will help you to change your skin in no time is this. Now this is actually going to help you so much to make your skin look beautiful, and this is tomato. Okay, because tomato contains a lightening property, and it also contains a remedy that helps to remove all unwanted hair. So when you're having all of those unwanted hair on your face, tomato is going to help you to uproot it, and then it's going to help to close a large and open pores. And now trust me, what is going to happen is that your face is going to be looking really smooth. So okay, so let's there are more ingredients coming, so you watch the video till the end so you can see all of the beautiful ingredients that will change your skin in just 10 minutes. Then what you do is that you would have to be then I blend. Okay, so after that, then you would have to turn that into a bowl. Just one full tomato and you're good. Okay, so the next ingredient is sugar. Now you need sugar because sugar has smaller granule particles that helps to scrub out dead skin cells. So you can either use the white sugar, which is what I have, or you use the brown sugar, which is even more effective. Yeah, so I would have to be turning this in, and this is about 1.5 tablespoons, which it is very important, guys. You need more of sugar in this remedy. Okay, that is going to make it really effective. And then also you're going to be needing to use glycerin and rose water. Now glycerin and rose water helps to tone up and moisturize the skin. It helps to reduce or remove the redness of an irritated skin, and it also helps to rejuvenate and lighten up the skin. Okay, so we're going to be putting in just 1 teaspoon of rose water and glycerin into this, and then you stir. And also you're going to be needing to use aloe vera. Now aloe vera is a great remedy for an irritated skin, a dry skin and a sunburned skin. So to get that 10-minute fresh skin, trust me guys, use this and you're going to be loving it. Okay, so I'm going to be pressing in about 2 tablespoons of this. Just 2 tablespoons, and then we mix it and mix it really good. Okay, so we're equally going to be using vitamin C for this. Alright, vitamin C is a great ingredient that helps to make the skin look super duper soft. Okay, and it also tone up and brighten up the skin really good. So how we're going to do this is that I'm going to be dissolving this, and I'm going to be taking some juice out of this, and then put it here, and dissolve it. Okay, oops, press it and it breaks in. So I need to dissolve everything. Okay, and this is how it is. Your 10 minutes super skin remedy that helps you to change your skin and make your skin look super duper young, effective and glowing. So this is gonna change your skin in 10 minutes. This is gonna make you beautiful. Okay, so the first thing you do, is dab your face with water. Now the reason why you dab your face with water is so that is so that when you apply this ingredient, it's just gonna sink deep into your skin, and then it helps so much to rejuvenate and moisturize your skin, and it also helps to soften your skin in just 10 minutes. Okay, so what I do is that I love to apply this. Okay, I'm actually going to be using a brush. I love to apply it with my hands when I'm actually not fuming. When I want to like take care of my skin without fuming it, I use my hand basically. So I'm going to be using a brush because I am fuming. Okay, so you apply those ingredients onto your face generously, just like this. Okay, now this is a 10 minutes remedy, guys. Now for the fact that I say it's 10 minutes doesn't mean you're not gonna apply it again. You're gonna apply it every day. Okay, but for 10 minutes this ingredient is going to polish up your skin really well. Yeah, okay, so after that then you can just massage. You basically just massage your face, because you're not like scrubbing too hard. You're just massaging your face just like this. Okay, you massage and massage really good. Oh my goodness, look at that, look at that. Like, after you've massaged this, then you can hold on for at least 10 minutes. If you're having wrinkles here, make sure to always apply force by massaging it. Why I actually used to massage here is because when I was pregnant, here there used to be a mark, so I kind of massage it really good while I do my facials. Yeah, so you wash it off with a lukewarm water or a normal water, and then you follow suit with a soap, like a toilet mud soap, and you're good, guys. Just 10 minutes and this is gonna be really wonderful. Trust me, go try it. Go try it and let me know how it is, because I'm so excited. You can actually see it on my face. If you've been watching me for some time now, you see how rough my face was. So that's it, guys. It's actually very cooling because I actually refrigerated mine, and when you want to apply it, you have to dab your face with water, just like I said earlier, and it's gonna sink into your skin and work really well. Okay, so that's it, guys. If you do love the video, please don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and I would see you soon in my next video. And stay beautiful, and bye, guys. Mwah.